You want to know why I'm wearing these funny glasses? I'll tell you. It's for our brand new XD dark ride. What's that mean? I'll explain it. So what we have here is an 8-seater. Yeah, the curtains are opening behind me, right? Yes. Okay. 8-seater interactive motion theater. What does that mean? That means you're going to be watching a movie. The seats are going to rumble. They're going to move. You've got a blaster, if you will. All right? You have a blaster. You're shooting things on the screen. There's wind. I'm not even joking. There's wind. You'll see my hair blowing here in a moment. All right? This is a 7D interactive motion theater experience. I'm so excited. We have 6 different movie choices, ranging for movies for children all the way up to movies for adults. This is a blast. We have Pirates, Los Banditos, Forbidden Mime, Gigamon, the big monster, Carnival, which is kind of like creepy Clown Town. If you don't like clowns, I would not go on that one. And we have zombies. Everybody loves zombies. All right, let's go check one out. All right, guys, I've got my 3D glasses. I've got my blaster. The movie's about to start. So what happens is you warm up with kind of a test scene, and it just lets you kind of figure out how to use the blaster, how this works. And it's really, really loud.
Traffic will resume in a few.
And you don't want to shoot the good people. First place. Not because I'm playing alone at all. Nobody got in first place anyways. It's all good. So there's a giant, oh my gosh, there's a giant monster. That scared me. Rapid fire! Don't shoot the people. They're good. Look out, please. Okay. And there's wind. There's literally wind on your face. My character is extremely out of breath. I would not be that out of breath. So that was just a taste of one of the 6 movies that we have here to offer for you. Like I said, that was probably one of the more intermediate ones, not as scary, so that'd be good ones, good for families, kids, and adults. We have some ones that are themed more towards kids and ones that are definitely themed more towards adults, like the Scary Clown one and the zombies. But either way, it's a lot of fun. We want you to come down here and check out this amazing new attraction.